making Easter eggs. I mean, dyeing Easter eggs.
Brandon will.
Oh my gosh, how do you do that?
Oh, it's hard, isn't it? I can't do it on a couple of them.
Did it? Did it?
That was already broken.
No, it's not. It's not. I broke that one. I'm guessing this.
Alright, you want to get started?
Yes.
I wish I had more of those dippers.
Wait, can you scoot these over to the side so the camera can see them better?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Now I'm going to pick out an egg.
You can use this if you want, or Mommy likes to do sometimes, is I'll just like set my egg in there. And don't forget we got the
How
crayon.
do you do this?
Just like set it on there real easy, like that, and then you can dip it and hold it just halfway in.
Actually, I don't want to use
You
the
don't have
dipper.
to use it.
Is it okay if I do it on my fingers?
Yeah, we'll wash it off. It might just stain a little bit, kind of like how Kool-Aid does. It won't stay on there like forever.
On top of all that, I also want to give a quick shout out to this website called charlieproject.org. And quite frequently,
I'm going to dye that one red.
that I research, I will run into information.
Where's that? Oh, you're using it though.
Shout out. And all
I was about to
their
use
website, particularly because of
Wait
their
a second.
kind of
Okay, I'll pick out another egg.
Charlie Project profiles over
Perfect.
9,000 cold
Oh my God, how
people,
cool.
mainly from the United States.
So good.
It does not actively investigate cases. It is merely a
So what's your favorite part of Easter?
who are often neglected by the
Finding, looking for the Easter basket and having the party at Max's.
Yeah.
But I mostly like finding the Easter basket.
Oh, I bet. Are you hoping to get a good basket this year?
Mm-hmm.
There's a crayon. You're welcome.
Now look at this crayon. It won't dye it on that part if you write it.
Yeah, it's like a magic crayon. It's clear, but you draw on your egg, and wherever the wax is, the dye will not get on that part of the egg.
Excuse me.
Look, we can use these two to like turn the egg while it's dyeing. Oh, beautiful.
I drew a big hole. Ooh, I'm gonna dye this one.
Do you want this rotated?
Okay.
You can do it however you want. You can use this or you can use that.
Try not to crack it though. I thought you were drawing butterflies.
And then we can, to dry them, we can set them on here. And we also have the,
Yeah, are you talking to like the camera? There we go.
you can set
I'm
them on
gonna
there.
put this. I put I love mom on here.
Aw.
I'm gonna dye it.
Now, do we want to use, let me get some boiling water so we can use some of those.
I need that stick. Here's the stick. It's not really working. It's way too light.
We can always mix the colors too.
Yellow and red makes. Oh yeah, but there's already a color in red. Yellow and blue, would that make a color?
Green, but we have green.
It could be like a different kind of green.
Mhm.
I need that. I'll scoop it out.
Do you want the blue or the green? Hang on, let me get mine out first if you want the blue. Set that back in there. Let me borrow this.
There we go. Now I need that.
And where did the crayon go? I see it.
Ooh, it's making a light
Try not
green.
to splash it too much though, okay?
This is love.
Aww.
This is I. This is I.
Careful. They will crack if you are rough with them. You gotta be real easy.
I love Mom. This
Aww.
is yeah.
Sweet.
See, look I, and then love, and then look Mom,
Aww.
and I put a heart over the M. Okay, this one's finished. Ooh, look at that. It
Wow.
looks so good. Now let me get this red one out of here. It looks pink. Wait, I need to get that spot. But there's the stick I was needing. Wow. But it's gonna stain and you won't know it. The joke.
It's okay.
Okay, set this
At least we're reusing them. Oh shoot, this crayon just broke.
What? You kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. Here, I'll tape it.
You are.
It was an accident.
This is. Oh, you're decorating it. Cool. But this is the cracked one. This is. Or maybe someone can eat this. Yeah, but the dye is gonna go inside of the egg. It's only me. Okay. Now let's pick out a doubled egg. Now you see that egg right here? You need to boil it. And first you need to boil eggs. You need to get the stuff you need. You put the egg in the dye. Then you dye. Now let's put this into the green. And then pew, 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 move it around with this egg dipper. Move it around so you can get it everywhere. Flip it, move it around. It's fun to dye Easter eggs. Ooh, just try not to crack them. I was being really funny when you were gone.
Well, it didn't want to tape back together, so we have a really tiny piece, and then I sharpened that in with the crayon sharpener.
I'm
So
gonna
I can use the
Yay,
tiny.
I'm using the good piece. Okay, now I'm finished dyeing this.
Be careful.
I dropped it. I'm finished dyeing this. Oh, the eggs are dead. Because we're dyeing eggs.
Oh, yeah.
Now let's write.
Daddy, do you want to do a couple?
Let's write the YouTube logo. Like for real. And then dye it red because it's red.
There you go.
Man, I messed up on the button for a little. Now look at the YouTube logo. Look at the YouTube logo. It looks so bad. It looks sloppy. You know I'm recording right now. It's already been 9 minutes of dyeing eggs. Okay, now we have the YouTube. I finished dyeing that one. That one's cracked. Just move it around with this. I'll move it for you. Okay, I'll have to be very gentle. I think we should stop dyeing that one. It's cracked. Okay. Ooh, this looks cute, Mom. Can I dry it?
Sure.
Dry it. There's no more spots.
Well, we can start setting them. There's one spot. There's a spot.
I like dyeing eggs.
Dye.
Eggs.
There's a spot right there.
This one's cracked too. I was dying.
It's okay.
This is one out that I was dying.
We're gonna attempt to
This
do
is the one that I was saying.
these.
I was saying like, okay, first, now this is how you dye Easter eggs. Now you have to get the stuff, and then you put the egg in here, and then try not to. Be careful, try not to crack it. But I did crack it. Yeah, it's cracked. Can I dye these?
No, none of those. You got to boil the water. Put it in boiling water, and it shrinks the wrapper on it. So we're gonna see if it works. Sometimes they don't work for Mommy.
Okay, now.
With the crayon, or no?
Okay, sure. Now let's put. Tag cheer.
I'm gonna need the dipper.
There we go. Now let's put. I haven't dyed any egg with the pink. I put hashtag cheer squad. Pretty. That's a pretty good one.
Oh, that turned out perfect. Watch out.
Ooh.
And then you can dye it, and it just gets like on the ends here. It needs like another second in there.
Wait, I need that. I need that. The egg dipper. Because I don't want to get the dye on my finger. I put hashtag cheer squad. Well, you made it hot. You made it hot.
You can set it right here, baby.
It says
Right here. Set them on here.
It says hashtag cheer
All right,
squad.
let me see that again, please.
Okay. Let me move around the one that my dad dyed. Dad says see love. Well, you're blocking the camera. You cannot see.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, video.
I'm getting sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys.
Are you sure about that? Okay, I have no choice but to use my hands.
Hot coming through.
Those are so good. What are those?
And then
I wanna
you can
look-
take them.
Will it dye it on that part?
No. Go for it.
I'm gonna make it pink because it has blue, and blue and pink go so well together. It's kind of on there, like kind of, but it's gonna go. Is it waterproof?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Wait, where's that thing? Where is it? Where's the egg there? Oh, there.
There's one point where it sounds like it said she either ran into someone or hit someone.
Careful with that.
It looks so good, right?
Mhm. Awesome.
I like that. I want to show Dad it. I'll be very careful.
Okay.
Dad, look at this thing.
So this is the official MissingBrandonWatson.com.
Try to find. Okay, I just got a marshmallow song stuck in my head. It's alone. I'm so alone. Try to find my way back home to you. I'm gonna do this.
Did I
one.
say you could sing?
It's just a song by Marshmallow.
Excuse me.
Wait, I'm gonna do it orange.
In particular, what I found interesting, they have all the tabs here for the different pages.
And then I'm gonna do blue. I'm blue. Da da dee da da da.
I'm gonna lay in the tub.
Alright.
Look at this.
Oh, pretty.
I like those colors. I'm gonna set them up neat. I like this one that says hashtag cheer squad. Oh, it's like almost dry already. These dry quick.
Yeah. Alright. There's one there. I'm gonna do one more and you can do two more.
Okay.
The heck's crayon.
Try to find my way back home to you. That's the one I'm using.
I'll just use it real quick. I'm making a special one.
I'm gonna draw and since you're drawing an Easter bunny, I'm drawing an Easter chick.
Oh, good idea.
And I'm gonna dye it yellow. Oh, I have a great idea! I need that.
Hang on, I'm almost finished.
Don't draw too hard or else you're gonna... You can kind of see it, right?
Mm-hmm.
In that way, particularly in a small town environment, to me, it doesn't smell right. It just seems a little controlling to me. I'm not saying that it might have been his wife's dream her whole life to have one of them paper to realize it. And it just happened that they fell in love and it happened.
Red and blue make purple my favorite color.
There's definitely conditions where I can say that should be okay, you should allow that. However,
This is like the best batch we've ever done. Best
I
ever.
thought blue was your favorite color.
Blue and purple are my two favorites. Oh, we should write Marty on that. Because you have one that says I love Mom, I did one that says Sandra, David and Sela, and we should do an Aunt Marty one. What if I write Farty Marty on it?
No.
I know, it'd be very nice, huh? Oh, yeah, don't just drop them in, baby girl. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful.
It didn't
Where's
go.
the dipper? Oh, found you.
Oh yeah,
Alright.
I didn't finish the chick.
It's alright. We'll probably still look really cute.
But then I'll make it.
Look at my bunny.
And then I'll put to this red.
And the crayon. How come I can't keep track of
This
these
is a
things?
cool orange color. And
You
then
know
I'm
where the
gonna,
crayon is, love? There, I'll use a little one.
and then I'll put it in green. Ooh.
Here, I'll draw on this one and then you can dye it.
Mom, it's actually going on the dye. I mean, it went off. It came off. Oh, that's a cool green color.
Try not to just drop it in there though, love, okay?
Sending it in there. Look at that green.
Wow.
Oh, I was holding the crayon the whole time. I thought I was gonna do that one.
Well, I'm drawing, you can dye. Here, I'll draw one side, you can draw on the other. I'm just writing Marty on it.
Okay. No, I'm gonna dye it. I'm gonna.
Here's Sandra. Sandra.
She wants it to be red.
Okay.
Because it's
You
her
want to draw
favorite.
something on this side or just...
Yeah.
Okay. Did you ask her what color? That was sweet.
Yeah, I said, what color do you want your egg to be? Do you want it to be red? And do you want it to be red because it's your favorite color? She was like, yeah. That's a cool green color, ain't it?
Yeah.
That looks galaxy. I need that. Perfect.
if you want to be red, or you leave it in there for longer. So let's leave it in there for a little longer. Make it real red. See how pink this one's getting? The longer you leave it in, the darker the color gets.
I said, I'm going to get yours really red. She's like, I love those. No, that's the one I did.
I'm making it greener for you.
Oh.
And then look, the green dripped out onto the orange, so then I'm going to fix that. See, look how red that's getting now.
No, there's a crack. No, that was just a hair. It's just a hair. Can I get it off?
Just let it be. I don't want you to crack the egg. There you go. Now wipe it on the paper towel. Not the table, the paper towel, sweetheart.
It's gone. Really red now.
Mm-hmm.
Yay, my phone is still recording. Guys, I wish you were able to do this with me. Look at this. It looks so cool.
Here. Oh, this one we might need to eat like right away. It's cracked, like super cracked.
Yeah, my dad did that one. My dad did that once, and I said that one's cracked. He put that's the one that my dad did.
Yeah. Look at yours.
Ooh. That's like my favorite kind of pink. It's,
All right, let's get Aunt Marty's
it's
out
not
now.
galaxy-like anymore.
You need to wash his hands. That's definitely gonna stain.
And it'll be on there forever.
Yep. No.
How long would it be on?
Probably just like a day or two.
I need soap. That was fun.
Oh, that's fun.
So guys, wait. No guys, I hope you liked this video. Give it a big thumbs